Here's a quick little installation guide on the StartX system for the 2009 to 15 Honda Pilots. This kit comes with the module, the harnesses, and everything else that you need to make sure that you can properly install this device. In my opinion, it felt pretty sturdy, doesn't feel cheap at all, so let's go ahead and install this device. Starting off, you just want to get the 2 screws that are behind the steering wheel. You do have to turn the steering wheel, so I suggest turning the vehicle on. That way you can get to the screws a little bit easier than having to fight that steering wheel. After you get both screws out, it's pretty simple. Just pop it straight up out of the steering column and you got that first piece out. Secondly, there's 3 screws on the bottom of the steering column. 2 of them are the same and then one of them's different, which was that bottom one. You do have to move it around a little bit and maybe even pull the lever down that adjusts the steering column just to get it off. Next up, you're going to want to use your instructions for this. It's pretty much just plug and play, but it's always nice to follow the instructions to make sure you know what you're doing, because I didn't know. Most of this installation is kind of self-explanatory, but I just got some of the T-harnesses off and placed the ones that came with the kit, and then it also has a different connector attached to it, which is the same, usually the same color and the same size as the one you remove from the actual vehicle. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to just kind of match things up. Here's a green one that you remove, and there's another one white that is supplied. Sometimes on your vehicle it might be white already, but those are the connectors that are right below the ignition cylinder. After you're done, you're left with 2 more connectors, which will hook up into the module. But off of the instructions, it was a little confusing. It said that I had to turn the reset button on first and then hook up the connectors, but I found that just hooking up the connectors immediately was the only way for me to actually program the module itself, which is really easy. All you do is hold that reset button until it flashes green, and then you're good to go. You do have to make sure that the vehicle registers 3 actual locks. If not, it won't start. To shut it off, you just repeat the process. Make sure that the vehicle registers all 3 locks. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe if you want, and don't blow up your car. Bye.